So my dad is having the one pretty tree he has in his front yard cut down. At first, I thought they said they were just topping it, but they are taking it completely down. I think Papa was getting tired of me using my little 6-inch and 8-inch hand saw, pole saw. But I think they started this probably about an hour ago. They just came and knocked on our door. They had been in the neighborhood cutting trees down in other people's yards. So here is their information. If you would like or need any trees or anything done, give them a call. They're going to be back tomorrow here to finish up what I started in the back. They're going to bring back a stump grinder and a little bobcat. He still has a whole lot of trees in the back from when the tornado came through here years ago. That's something I can't take care of. But, and if you need any other stuff done, they live in the subdivision as my dad, and they put in the new AC unit for me upstairs. Did a really, really good job. So He's taking it all the way down. He's taking it all the way down. He said it, they said it was diseased. That's the prettiest thing in the front yard. Ooh, there's gonna be so much sun coming in now. There goes all the shade. And they're gonna grind the stump down. It didn't look diseased to me. I just needed help back there. Where all the trees are still laying down way back there. I just been throwing everything that I could cut down in the hole. I just couldn't get the big trees that are laying down back there. It's gonna look bare.
Been there a long time.
Daryl planted it?
$15. I had 3 of them.
Woo! Neighborhood excitement. Do you ever get up there?
Sometimes. You enjoying the show, ain't you?
Well, I was looking out the window upstairs.
You his granddaughter?
I'm his daughter.
Oh, you his daughter?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I know. I think he told me. Yeah, he had a daughter or granddaughter or something in the house.
Yeah, I was upstairs and I was looking out. When they started cutting, you know, the lower ones, I was like, oh my gosh, it's gonna come through this window.
I know, man. We're gonna make sure we don't do any damage to the house.
Cause I didn't know he was cutting the whole thing down. He says I'm getting it topped.
Yeah, first he was gonna get it top, and then he was like, man, I might as well gonna get it cut. I'm 76 years old. He want to get everything done. So this is my game plan. I want to lay it down today. Then I come out here in the morning with my machine and gonna push it all the way back to the bank. And he want me to put it in the hole.
Yeah.
And then he want me to clear that line up in the back.
Where I started.
Yes, man, clear up all that for him.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a couple days, but I just want to get this down because I know this take the most time.
Yeah, get that down and grind it up.
Yeah, and grind the stump. I'll bring the stump grind in the morning.
Yeah.
As soon as I clear it out, grind it up, and we're gonna get it rocking. Okay.
And y'all have a business card to leave him?
Yeah, I'm gonna give you one. I'll give you one.
Okay, thank you. Oh, they're getting business all through the subdivision. The neighbor's got him walking at the back of his property line now. So while he's readjusting and waiting on his chainsaw, I will show y'all what I have been doing. Which all I have is a little 6-inch and an 8-inch chain that I can attach to a pole saw. So cleaned. This was all a bunch of stickers, bushes and stuff. Everything you see, I've just been throwing it where his property has been washing out due to a creek down there. So been trying to just throw stuff where to catch in the trees, but this has washed back tremendously. So a lot of that tree is going to go down in the ditch. And then cleaned it all up down through here. See how much of a drop off. Some of those trees are from when the tornado came through here. So we're just gonna throw some of the trees down in here and keep it from washing away some more. I threw a lot in there. Threw some in here on one of the big trees that fell when the tornado came through. And then today, so for 2 days, I've worked back here. So the tree guys are going to come back and they're going to finish cutting this and they're going to push it. There's the stump, came up by the root. I cut all of this today, stacked it up and behind that. But the tree guys are going to come back and push all of this And I was cleaning out this today. And there is a hole back here. We're going to push everything back in there. And all these trees that I can't get. But I've done a lot of cleaning up. None of this was cleared out. I've cut about 5 trees down. Only took one of them down low. The other ones I kept sticking up.